Alrighty guys, with 2021 being only like a month out, I can finally make these videos where I can put 2021 in my title. So in today's episode, we're going to be talking about the top stocks under $20 to buy in 2021. Most of these stocks are going to be high growth stocks, so like always, it's smart to have a base of ETFs, bonds, or even blue chip stocks to almost act as your defense, because some of these stocks definitely carry a little more risk than you and I would like. But I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you guys get anything in value, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and address them in the comments down below. If you guys want to learn more about investing in the stock market, go ahead and check out my course. So now guys, let's jump into it. Roll that intro. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so the first stock here under $20 is ticker symbol EPD. This is Enterprise Partners. Before the whole recession hit, this stock was trading at $30 per share and a very strong support here at 23. The stock sold off all the way to $10.27, got bought up, really hit this old support that is now new resistance for this stock here. Sold off, found some support here on this overall trend line, and has been just really moving its way back up. The reason why I like this stock here is because this is a very strong company. Their fundamentals are pretty good, and you get dividends from this. So this stock pays a strong dividend payment. You guys can see all this little money sign is dividend payments. You guys can see it's very continuous. It's consecutive. You can count on it. Their fundamentals are good, and this company is going to continue to grow. I do think that this stock can come in contact with around 23 by mid next year. I think that's a very real expectation for this stock here. Moving on to stock number 2, we have ARCC. This stock here is an energy company that was trading at pretty much $20 per share. Yes, we had a nice upward trend in price. Everything was looking good. And then the whole recession hit. The stock sold off more than 50%. Found some overall very strong support here all the way at $7.90 and just really got bought up big time. Found some overall resistance here at $16.15. Broke out of this 200 moving average line, which is a very strong thing for a stock to do. So now we know this 200 moving average line is going to act as a support for this stock here, which is a very bullish thing for a stock to do. So I do think this stock could easily come back up to these highs here by mid next year. That's kind of my mindset with this, and these are very affordable. So you guys can see that you have a nice dividend payment. They didn't cut their dividend. Their balance sheet is very good. Their payout ratio is not very high, so they have more money that they can continue to grow and push into this business here. So starting off with stock number 3 here, we have SunPower Corp. Sorry for that. SunPower Corp. You guys can see that really this stock came in contact with 15, sold off here. This was just this overall March crash. Used this 200 moving average line as some resistance. You guys can see it came in contact, sell off. Found support at $4. Consolidated here right under the 200. Broke over, curled back down, tapped this 200 moving average line, classified that as now support, and really rallied up. Little bull flag there, rallied up, consolidation, rallied up. I really think that this stock could get some temporary sell-off back down to 20, and that's where my buy target's going to be for 20. But this is a renewable energy company. I think we're only going to get more and more dependable on renewable energy. That's my mindset, and this company is one of the front runners in that sector, so it's a very cool thing. This one here does not pay a dividend. This is a very high growth stock, so that's pretty good too. The only thing that does concern me a little bit is the price to earnings is a little high, but honestly, it's nothing to be worried about at the end of the day. Now, this one here is ticker symbol AAL. This is American Airlines Group. Now, the reason why I put this stock here on my list is because I do think that we could get a run from $14 to $20. I think that's a very real expectation, but for it to come back up to 30 or all the way back up in here, it's going to take a lot. This company is taking on a lot of debt. I do think that there is a possible, swing trade that you can hold for 6 months, sell it here at 20, have a good ROI on your investment. The thing that does concern me about this as a long-term investment is their balance sheet isn't very good. They're losing money. They're pretty much burning through money. They are declining sales, declining revenue, declining margin. It's not a very good company as a whole. If you guys want to invest in an airline stock, I would rather see you guys invest in like Delta. We can pull that up here so you guys can see it. But you guys can see a beautiful upward trend, growing revenue, growing dividends, very, very healthy company. Sold off here, broke out of this resistance, now is just climbing its way back up. So it's just a matter of time before we get a overall break back up to, this $52 mark. This is a little more expensive. This is why this is not on the list. But looking at the last and final stock here, we have ZNGA, ticker symbol ZNGA. This stock here is one of the companies that works on Words with Friends and is a mobile app games provider. You guys can see that this stock has had a very strong upward trend, and we just got a little bit of temporary sell-off, very, very common. I really think that we're probably going to find some support here at around 779. You guys can see that this consolidation zone, I think that's where we're going to find some overall support for this. And that's going to be my buy target is around 780, 779. I really think that this stock could easily come back up to the highs all the way at 1070 by probably mid next year. I think that we're only going to get more and more dependable on video games and mobile games. I think that that's still a growing sector and you can still make some money from it. And on top of it, the overall trend is your friend. So I do think that this stock carries a lot of long and short-term potential. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you guys want to learn more about investing in the stock market, go ahead and check out my course, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and especially right now guys, stay safe out there. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care.